Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set password on apps on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here go to security and privacy. Now scroll down and here you can find app lock. Open it, and now if you are doing this for first time you will get this screen. You have to set privacy password, so set password that you want, and you have to do it again from here. Now you have to select security settings. You can enable a recovery email or question. So let's take question for example, and here you can select the question that you want. Also you can set custom question. Now you have to type answer for this question over here and click done. So when you have security password enabled, here is the app locker. You have to turn on app lock, and now you can select apps that you want to set the password. So let's take for example AliExpress, Amazon Music, Amazon Shopping, Blast and Booking.com. So now when I want to open some of these apps, I have to enter my privacy password. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe this channel and check my other OnePlus Nord 5 videos.